we go. So what I want to do is I want to start with an overall idea of what the head looks like to me, okay? So for this one is my classic knee brace shape, right? Which the head literally resembles a knee brace with a, and this part right here is just kind of comes around like that. So I'm not going to dedicate that line yet. And the reason is because, well, you'll see, okay? Now, once we get that, let's go ahead and do our hair shape, okay? So remember, with hair shapes, you don't want to commit to lines inside of the hair. So you want to try to get your hair as an open shape as much as you possibly can. Now, this will take you some practice to be able to do, but when you learn it, it is going to so save your life. So you want the outside of the hair first. You can always add stuff like right out here. See how I might want to do this, so I can just add a little line right here, and boom, I got it. That's it. Now what I'll do here is I'll add this little shape here. Right? And then we'll add her little neck right here. Okay, so I got a pretty good picture, right? And then we'll just add a little bit over here of this little ear that's poking out right there. All right. So now that we got our overall head shape, right? The picture's easy from this point. Let's find our center point. What do we want? Center point is something in the middle of the face so that we don't draw the features too far up the face. I tend to always, when I draw my noses, I tend to look for the middle shape and focus on that, and then I'll kind of go from there to my mouth or my eyes. In this case, I'm gonna go to the mouth shape. So I might do something like this. It's a regular smile, right? And then what I'll do is just add the full lips. I don't want too many, I don't want hard curves in my lips because it's going to take away from the fullness. Notice how my curves are very subtle and not like, you know what I'm saying? Because that will miss the mark. And from here, check it out. What we'll do is we'll come here and we'll go, all right, I want to put my brows here. So we're going to go 1, 2, right? And then check this out and connect. If I want to add a little bit more of the nose on that side, now you see how I didn't add too much on the other side? Now let's drop the eyes in there. Real simple technique. I draw 2 lines. 1, 2, right? Here we go. 1, 2. That tells me where my eyes are going to be. Watch this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? And then I'll add me some little lights in there, right? Now watch this. Now I'm gonna go like this over the top line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You see? Then I'll add the center to my eyes here, and this to my eye here, and then we'll add the little line over the top. 1, 2. Okay, so it'll come out real easy. I might thicken up my eyebrows a little bit here. Okay, and pretty much, shoot, we got that done real fast. So all we got to do, come back with this gray. All right, and watch. Lip shape here, little heart shape right here. All right, little shape underneath the nose here. Little color in the eyes, just over the eyes. Just under the eyes. Right, a little smile. Okay, because I'm not copying the picture. I'm just doing something that looked like it. Now, you're like, well, what about that hair? Well, see with her picture, that dark hair is really, so check it out. You could use this same gray, this same black, right? Now watch how I work it in. Watch how I almost never take my marker off the paper when I'm doing this. Watch. Everything is really understanding how light works in contrast. You see how little effort it takes to to do the hair. If you think about it like this. And it's okay to skip around. You know, you don't have to color in all of the hair as one big blah, right? Because then it's not going to look good. Okay. And I'm almost done here. All right, now check it out. What we're going to do is bring our shoulder around like that. Okay. Now check this out. You want to add, at this point, we're pretty much done with the drawing, right? So you want to get a little bit more details in there. That's when you do all of this mess. Okay, you see how I just dropped those little lines in there, and then it makes it look like the hair is a little bit more, you know, realistic. Okay, if you guys hear my kids scream in the background, it's because I'm a full-time dad. I just want to let you know I don't have quiet in my house to make videos like these professional YouTubers, so I want to share, but you're gonna, you know, sometimes you might get an outburst of complete anger. It's my son when he don't get his way, right? All right, so I'm just dropping a few little shadows in there, but for the most part, I'm done. That's how you draw a caricature. Real quick, easy, fast, fun, not a lot of work, right? So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to share these videos with somebody that you think will want to benefit from learning caricature. Also, I do offer one-on-one classes. So if you want to take a one-on-one class with me, that information is in the description box below. And you can go online and book a class today. I'll show you everything I know about caricature, the business side of it. By the way, that's my full-time job. So anyway, enough talking. Have a blessed day. I'll see you later.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.